Hello everyone, welcome to Trolleypart channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable dual SIM in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here, go to connections, then tap on SIM manager. Here you can see in my phone first SIM is active and second SIM is not active. Now if you want to active your second SIM, just tap here and then tap turn on. And you can see in my phone second SIM is turned on. Now if you want to deactivate your first SIM, just tap here and then tap turn off and it's done. Now if you activate your first SIM again, now you can see in my phone both SIM are active now. Also from here you can select your preferred SIM card for calls, messages and mobile data. And that is how you can enable or disable dual SIM in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.